Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some amazing pumpkin rice together. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my pumpkin, and guys, this pumpkin is from my backyard. All right, so call me Callie the farmer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and remove the skin from my pumpkin, and please be sure to check your local supermarket. You will get pumpkin there as well. So once I remove the skin nicely from my pumpkin, I will go in and just chop it up in some small pieces. And guys, just a note, I went ahead already and just rinse off my pumpkin under some cold running water. But once I'm gonna cook the pumpkin, I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse it off again. This is just an amazing recipe that you can try for your families at home, and you can always go ahead and pair with your favorite brown stew fish, slice or old fish. You can have it with some fried chicken, whatever you have at home. Just be creative and just be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. You can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using, and you can even go ahead and just load on the video and just follow along. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in and of course I'm gonna add some butter to my pot and allow that to melt. And I'm also gonna add some chopped onion, scallion, thyme. I will also add a few pieces of garlic and some tomato as well. Combine that well for a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna go in and add the pumpkin. So now I'm gonna add the pumpkin. Like I said, I also rinse off the pumpkin once I chop them up in some small pieces, and I will also go ahead and add some water and a little bit of salt, and I will also add a Scotch bonnet pepper and allow this to come to a boil until the pumpkin is softened. Now, some persons tend to use a fork to just crush the pumpkin. You can always go ahead and do so as well, and I might just end up doing that too. So you can always go ahead and just work with whatever you think that is you're most comfortable with. So this is what it looks like once it's finished cooking nicely. And yes, I'm just gonna use my wooden spoon to just crush some of that pumpkin because I want everything to be nicely crushed. And then I'm gonna go in and add my washed white rice. Now you can always use white rice or you can use brown rice, whichever one you have at home. Like I said, just be creative and just be you in the kitchen. So once I add my rice, I will combine everything well. I will also add a little bit more water because it needed just a little bit more water, and just allow this to come to a boil nicely. Make sure that you stir it up, and once it comes to a boil and most of the water is boiled out, I will just cover it and allow it to steam on low heat until it is nice and shelly, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing pumpkin rice, which was very easy and simple. And you can always go ahead and share this one as well to your families and your friends and let them know. Give this one a try at home. And this is the final product of my amazing pumpkin rice. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to take out that Scotch bonnet pepper as well. Bye guys.